Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about Family Dairy Farm, which is under Section 2, Chapter 7. One should drink 90 liters of milk per year, but people of our country can take in an average 10 liters per year. So there is a marked difference between milk production and requirement. Due to this deficit, people are being interested much to establish dairy farm from last 2 decades. Cow rearing increases employment opportunity, income of landless farmers in remote area. Household nutrition and it creates household, it increases household nutrition and creates extra income. So we can manage smooth earn and meet up our milk requirement by establishing family farm with 2 to 5 cows in our homestead area. Now, before establishing a family cattle house, we should select location of a farm. Before selecting a farm, we have to consider some factors. Number 1, the land should be placed in the house should be placed on comparatively high and dry land. Farmland development and build up. Farm means strong. The house should be strong and the house should be made in such a way that the farm can be extended anytime. The house should be placed far from homestead area, but there should be a good communication system. There should have feed and water facilities, and the farm cattle should be placed in such a way that communication between market and farm is easier, and to meet the demand and supply system. Required material for household dairy farm. There are some material we need. First one, capital, that means money. Second one, farmland. Third one, improved cow breeds. Fourth one is standard farmhouse. Number 5, building material from farmhouse. Number 6, improved feeder and drinker. Number 7, land for grass cultivation. Number 8, water line. Number 9, pickup or motor van or rickshaw for transportation. Number 10, chopper. Number 10, chopper for grass cutting. Number 11, feed trolley and different farm equipments. Number 12, utensils for milking and distribution. Number 13, first aid kit for animal, sufficient green grass and concentrate feed. Number 15, artificial insemination for animal. The objective of cow rearing is to keep the cow healthy and active. To maintain their health properly, we have to follow some steps. Number 1, cows should be walked around regularly. Cow's hoof should be trimmed if necessary. Cow's health should be checked regularly. Never make the cow excited or disturbed during milking. Routine deworming program of cow should be followed. Deworming means removal of worm or krimi. Cows should be vaccinated to prevent infectious disease. Grooming of cow should be performed daily. Sometimes insecticides should be sprayed to protect insect and odd smell in house. Cow shed should be kept neat and clean all times. Washing of cow should be performed daily so that cows will not affected by ticks, lice, flies, mites, etc. Milking of cow should be performed at the fixed time in every morning and afternoon. Before milking, udder should be washed with clean water, and at the same time milker hand should be washed with disinfectant solution. If the cows do not come in heat after 90 days of parturition, cows should be checked up by a doctor to come into heat. After parturition, placenta should be buried immediately after falling. After birth, external part of the urinary lining should be washed with disinfectant solution. Caring of calf. A healthy and strong calf can become a well productive bull or cow in future. Calf is baby cow. Baby of cow is called calf. Care should be taken for pregnant cow and calf for getting high productive cow. Traditional natural breeding with native bull has to be stopped, and artificial breeding with modern technology should be practiced. In this way we can get improved cross breed. Calf for a calf for a dairy farm. Crossbreed calf for dairy farm. Overall caring for calf is discussed below. To get a healthy calf, balanced diet should be provided to pregnant cow. Pregnant cow should be kept in neat and clean and dry place during parturition. Birthplace of calf has to be made soft by using dry straw and gunny bag. Calf should be kept on gunny bag just after parturition and cleaned out. Mucus from the nose and mouth for easy breathing. After cleaning, calf should be brought to near the cow so that it can clean the calf by leaking mucus from nose, mouth, eye and body. If possible, calf coat should be dried thoroughly with dry cloth. If the navel flap is not removed out. It should be cut by blade at 5 cm away from navel and use tincture iodine, benzene, Dettol or Savlon. Colostrum should be provided to calf. Calf and cow should be kept in separate room from other animal. Care should be taken so that calf can take sufficient milk. If required, milk replacer and kid starter can be provided. Calf should be allowed for moving around so that it keep calf healthy and strong. Male calf should be castrated timely. Milking. Milking may be defined as process of collection of milk from cow's udder. Steps of milking. Milking time. Milking can be performed 2 or 3 times per day. Preparation of cow. Never excite the cow. Never beat the cow. Cow's udder and teat should be washed out with warm water before milking. After that, udder and teats are dried with clean cloth or towel. Preparation of milker. Milking man should wear a clean dress or covered with hair with towel or cloth. Milker's nail has to be kept clean by regular cutting. Using clean equipment for milking. During milking from udder, milk with cover and handle should be used instead of simple bucket. After milking, milk can has to be washed with warm water initially and then with clean cool water by rubbing with brush. Milk can should be placed upside down until next milking. Keeping cow free from fly. Care should be taken during milking so that fly cannot disturb the cow. Stimulation of cow for milking. Cows could be stimulated for milking by sucking teats by calf or massaging teats by milkman. Feeding cow during milking. During milking, a small amount of concentrated feed or green grass should be placed in front of cow for keeping it busy. Method of milking. There are two types. The method of milking is two types. One, old method. Two, modern method. Milking by hand. Milking by machine. Any of the method should be used during milking. Milking by hand. During milking, teat is pressed after closing to the base. So, accumulated milk in teat come out. After removing pressure, milk is accumulated again in teat from udder and the procedure is being conducted repeatedly. Milking is performed at the left side of the cow during hand milking. Milking is being performed using two teats together of the front side first and then using their toes of the rear side. Moreover, milking could be performed as cross-sign way, means collecting milk first from front side one and rear side one teat together, or from teat seemed to be more milk. In large commercial farm, there where cows number is more, milking machine is used for milking for many cows together. At the time of milking, machine is started by setting up teats cup with the teat. In this way, In this way, it is possible to collect milk easily and safely. Preservation of milk. Milk preservation may be defined as the process of keeping milk safe as drinking food for a definite period of time free from spoilage. Milk has to be screened and chilled immediately after milking. Milk preservation system is not so easy because the chemical structure of milk is easily changed. Generally, raw milk is sold everywhere in Bangladesh. If milk is kept for long time in raw condition, milk quality is deteriorated. In normal temperature or room temperature, various microorganisms in milk cause sour taste by producing lactic acid. Streptococci, a microorganism, mainly produce acid in milk. In normal temperature, microorganisms cause deterioration of milk by their multiplication. Method of milk preservation is discussed below. Old method. In this method, if in this method milk is boiled for 20 minutes. If boiling once, it will keep milk fresh up to 4 hours. So we have to boil the milk 4 hours interval to destroy the germs. We have to maintain the temperature. If we boil milk in high temperature, some vitamins and amino acids are destroyed. Modern method of milk preservation. Milk can be preserved by keeping milk in refrigerator for only 40 seconds. Milk can be preserved in deep freezer. Although microorganisms are not multiplied here, but they break the chemical bond of milk. So, quality of milk is slightly decreased. Milk preservation by boiling. Milk is one of the standard food in the world. It is a standard food for calf as well as human being, and at the same time it is similar standard for microorganisms. After milking, milk quality is started to be deteriorated by time, and it is fully deteriorated if it is kept for long time in normal temperature. The deterioration may be caused mainly for microorganisms. The microorganisms cannot grow and multiply in high and low temperature. Using this temperature, disease causing microorganisms could be controlled, and the process is called pasteurization. The aim of milk pasteurization is to destroy disease causing organisms. To preserve milk long time, undesirable organisms should be destroyed and enzyme presented in milk should be neutralized. Louis Pasteur, a French chemist, first realized that deterioration process had been caused by one kind of microorganism. Although pasteurization process had been invented by Louis Pasteur, but it was first applied by a German scientist, Dr. Soxhlet. Pasteurization. Dr. Soxhlet. Pasteurization is the process of heating every particle of milk at 145 degree Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or 162 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds to destroy disease causing microorganisms and enzymes presented in milk. Milk has to be cooled down at 4 degrees Celsius immediately after pasteurization. Advantage of pasteurization: 1. Pasteurized milk is safe because all disease causing organisms are destroyed. 2. Pasteurization increases the storage life of milk because it decreases lactic acid producing microorganisms. Number 3. Enzymes in milk are destroyed by pasteurization, and that's why milk can be safely stored long time. Most of the pathogenic bacteria are destroyed by pasteurization. Pasteurization does not alter nutritional value and taste of milk. Disadvantage: fat globules in milk may be emulsified by heating, heavy stirring if pasteurization is not performed perfectly. Heat-sensitive vitamins may be deteriorated. The taste of milk may be decreased by high temperature. Types of pasteurization: pasteurization with low temperature and long holding time, 62.80 degrees Celsius temperature for 30 minutes. Pasteurization with high temperature and short holding time, 72.20 degrees Celsius temperature for 15 seconds. Pasteurization with high pressure, 137.80 degrees Celsius temperature for 2 seconds. Thanks for watching this video.